Hey everybody, it's Justin from Destination. I'm just hanging out inside the EV6 again, and we've started to get some questions from folks after they've taken these vehicles home, one of which has been specifically about changing the color of the map. Well, let's take a look and see what we've got. All right, well, as we take a look at the center screen here, swipe it over to the side, we're going to dive into our setup menu. Initially, I looked through the nav menu, but I didn't find the ability to change the color of the map. So instead, if you go here to Screen, Theme, and Layout, you'll notice that you can change the background from black, which is where it defaults, to white. Now you're going to get a much greater color contrast, and specifically, if you take a look at the map, much better color contrast there. We can throw away this little third, and there you go. White background, blue skies, and green on the roads. Look like everybody's moving smooth. Alrighty, well, hope that's helpful.